Yo, what's good? What is going on? And welcome back to another video. So today is officially, damn, yeah, I lost count. It's officially day 183 days of no fap, man. So I'm excited. I'm hyped because it is officially April 1st. Yo, and keeping 100, I was battling. Like I really was like, yo, should I do it? Should I make this relapse announcement and just fuck with everybody? And yo, listen, I love a good joke. I love being funny, but like when I really like was like battling if I should do it, like I was just like, nah, I can't. I can't. And the only reason why, like, and I get it. I know people like, oh, come on, yo, like, listen, I'm a funny dude. If you ever had a chance to hang out with me, chances are, I had your stomach hurting, crying. We all, listen, trust me. Anybody that really knows me and is like had a chance to chill with me, trust me. So I'm like literally hanging with me at times. Like, it could be years from that day. And if you think about it, how hard we laugh, trust me, you're going to start laughing again. Even I laugh again thinking about some of the shit that I've done. Like, thinking of some of the shit that I've done and said, just in those wild, crazy ass moments. But, when listen, like I said, I was going to make this whole relapse announcement and get all emotional. And I was like, I can't do that. I can't. Like, not with this. Like, that'll be like me trying to April Fool's my daughter and telling her I'm not her father. I can't. I take both responsibilities so fucking seriously. I can't do that. Nah. Like, at this point in my life, I feel like April Fool. I mean, and don't get me wrong, I never really celebrated April Fools. It'll be like, I'll remember it's April Fools based on what people say. But truth is, at this point in my life, I feel like April Fools is really just for women to come up with all these fake pregnancy announcements. You feel me? Or come up with like a fake engagement or a fake relationship. You know what I mean? Like I really feel like that's really what April Fools is for. But yeah, like, damn it. Sorry, I just gulped a bunch of water and now I'm all like burping shit up. But yeah, man, like I take being a dad very seriously, and I take no fap and what it's done for me, what it's done for y'all, what it's done for all of us, like I can't, yeah, like I said, like, I was close to doing it and I was just like, nah, like I can't do that. I mean, and it's only because also for those of you who have relapsed and other YouTubers, that have actually relapsed, it's like to me, it's a serious thing. Like I can't joke around with that because there's a lot of a processing and emotions that come with relapsing. Feeling like, oh shit, I fucked up or I failed at this or whatever. Like it's almost like, to me, it's damn near like joking about being depressed or suicidal. It's like for some people it's gone to that extent already, and it's created a lot of hurtful experiences. And I'd rather just not play with that at all. But yeah, I thought about it though. Like, oh, listen, I was this close. What I mean? Because I said, oh shit, it's April Fool's Day. Well, I should get them. But nah. Listen, I'm still on my streak. I'm still doing my thing. You feel me? Yeah, man. So today was a good day. Yeah, it was a good day. Like it's not like I was thinking of anything that would make it bad. It's just my daughter was sick, so she stayed home from school today. And I just been just chilling with her all day. Just taking care of her, just making sure got her meds, gave her some Zicam, so that's been helping her out. Just got to monitor her fever because it was a little high. It was like 99, then it went up to like 100. But truth is, it really went up to 100 because I kind of stopped giving her the Tylenol because I've been giving her other medicines for the congestion. But just keeping an eye on it. She's laying down now. Then of course I'm just all up on her. Just making sure she's doing all right. But yeah, aside from that, just a good day. Like it's just, there's something really amazing when you get out of your head. And being on this journey, I've really learned that that's been a big part of my existence. You know, when you become unsure of things, when you want to have so much control over certain situations and outcomes, that when things kind of don't really go your way, just the scenario that you create in your head, like just to be right, only because it drives you crazy to not have that understanding as to why things didn't necessarily go the way you thought it would. You feel me? And I'm not saying anything specifically happened today, but it was just thinking about a lot of what I've overcome so far to get to this point in my life, and just realizing that I would literally repeat scenarios in my head, in conversations, arguments, whatever it was, and just repeat it to have such an understanding of it, you know, and just, I mean, I would literally convince myself that of certain things, you know, like it's amazing the stories that you tell yourself, you know, whereas now I'm so in the moment, you know, I'm not too focused on what happened already, but also I'm not too nervous about what hasn't happened yet, you know. And it's crazy because the better you get at managing that for yourself, the better you get in managing that with other people, you know. Like even for my daughter, she was playing with a balloon, right? And it popped. So I'm just on the computer, I'm just doing my thing. She came up to me, she's like, "Daddy." I'm like, "What's up, baby?" She's like, "The balloon popped." I'm like, "Okay." And she was like, "But it scared me." I said, "Okay, sweetie, it's fine. Like, just go play with your other toys and you'll be fine." So then literally 15 minutes later, she comes up to me. I was like, "What's the matter, sweetie?" She's like, "But Daddy, that balloon was scary." So I stopped my game. I said, "All right, hold up." I turned around and I looked at her. I said, "Sweetheart, what's wrong?" And she's just like, "No, like that balloon, it really scared me." I said, "How is it still scaring you?" And she was like, "What?" I said, "Exactly. How long ago did that balloon pop?" She was like, "A while ago." I said, "Okay. And you haven't played with any other toys since then?" And she was like, "Well, yeah, but I'm still scared of that." I said, "But okay, but sweetheart, you're still scared about a balloon that already popped 15 minutes ago, that now you can't even enjoy the time that you have with your current toys." Like, yo, bro, like, yo, I was preaching some real shit. Like, yo, like, and in my head I said, damn, I wish I had an adult in my life with all the shit that I've been through and had to go through at such a young age to really break some shit down like that. Like, and trust me, and I know that this lesson is gonna stick with her. But I said to her, I would say, "Sweetheart, you're unable to enjoy your playtime with your other toys because you're still worried about a balloon that popped 15 minutes ago." I said, how long did the balloon take to pop?" She was like, "What?" I said, "Was it quick? Or did it take really long for it to pop?" She said, "No, it happened real fast." I said, "Okay, it popped. Can you change the fact that it popped?" She was like, well, no." I said, "Okay then. So if you can't change the fact that it popped, if it was something that happened really quickly, then just get over it really quickly." I was like, "You're fine, sweetheart. It already popped. If you can't change the fact that it already popped, then don't worry about it anymore." So now, so I was like, so my thing is, you mean to tell me that you're trying to have fun with all these new toys, but you're still upset about something that already popped, that you can't change the fact that it popped? I said, "Come on, sweetheart. Let it go. It already popped. Did it kill you?" She was like, "No." I said, "Are you bleeding?" She's like, "No." I said, "Okay then. The balloon popped. Either make a new balloon or continue to play with all your other toys. But there's no point in worrying about this balloon that already popped. Yeah, you probably were scared in the moment. And as more balloons pop, you'll become less scared. But why focus on something that you can't change? And why continue to be upset for a full 15 minutes over something that took, what, 1 second?" And when I said that, she kind of looked and she smiled, because she realized in that moment, like, damn, I've been holding on to this shit. You know what I mean? She's sitting there like, damn, I should have been making more outfits for my Barbies, but I've been bullshitting about this balloon. And she kind of looked at me. I said, yeah, you get it. You get it. And she was like, okay. I said, you're fine, sweetie. And let's just leave it at that. But, bro, like, you don't understand. Like, I wish. But, see, and that's the beauty about being on your growth. You know, like, when you are becoming more grounded, becoming more centered, when you stop fapping and when you just gain so much emotional, spiritual, mental clarity with life and lessons, like, trust me, when you're at your lower vibration, you know, the hard shit that you go through feels like a consequence, feels like a punishment, feels like a, you know, why do I deserve this? Why me? But as you vibrate higher, you begin to look at these challenges and say, that's what I was supposed to learn from that. Gotcha. And then and then it's almost like you become eager. I don't want to say eager for more suffering, but it's that you understand when certain things happen. You understand the lessons in it and what it's meant to teach you, to add on to you as another plate of armor. You know, I mean, to really build you as you should be, you know, to really stand in your purpose, for sure. But yeah, man, it was funny. I found myself laughing. I said, damn, all that over a balloon, but with such a simple concept, she now understands, okay, like, yeah, he's right. I couldn't change the fact that the balloon popped. Why am I still tripping about it when I got all these other toys that I've been playing with, but I can't enjoy my time with them because I'm still worried about some shit that already happened. You feel me? Like, yo, man, this little girl gonna be something when she get older. They gonna be like, yo, she woke. Yup. Yup. You know? Shit, I mean, I kind of wish I had a son to really teach him because, man, like the shit that we learned from our parents. And don't get me wrong. I mean, they've only taught us whatever they've known in which they were taught, whatever. Our grandparents and great-grandparents, you know, it's just bad habits. Bad habits. But aside from that, like I said, aside from my daughter being sick and, you know, just teaching her lessons and stuff, today, good day, great day in trading. My God, hold on, just want to take a quick look, because, yeah, I be trying to tell you, yo, my setup, my support and resistance, oh, look at that, on point. So, yeah, I started not to take a trade because I always review the new. Well, I'm not gonna say I always, because I took that L last week, lost like 60 pips, but I didn't make it right back. But yeah, it's like I do check the news, and today there was like a red folder. It said all pairs. I'm like, damn. But the market moved literally as it should. So I was catching pips on the way down, caught it on the way up. Caught it on the way up. Now it broke another resistance. It looks like it retested already, or at least it closed above. I mean, it's kind of a morning star-ish looking at it. Look up the morning star pattern and evening stars. Whenever you see those at a support and resistance, yo, you know to buy, sell, buy low, sell high. That's literally how I trade. I mean, I don't really do trend lines too much, because I mean, I'm not saying trend lines don't work. Like trend lines help a lot. But I do primarily use my EMAs, you know, my 50 EMA support and resistance, you know. But again, I've studied this one pair, AUD USD, Australian dollar US dollar. That's all I look at. Yes, I could look at every last pair possible, but I want to build my consistency by learning a specific pair and identifying certain patterns. That's why I said the evening star, morning star. That's helped me a lot. You know, understanding what a wick means. Now, also too, time frames are very important. Okay, when you get into trading, until you get good, until you get great at trading, I don't recommend trading on anything less than the 30-minute time frame. For me to play it safe, I trade on the 1 hour. I do all my analysis on the weekly and the daily, set my support and resistance lines, boom. Line. Daily, weekly, and 4 hour, I check my support, my resistance, and my mid levels. But then I do all my entries on the 1 hour, because what that means is that every candle is produced in a 1 hour time frame. So literally, these last few candles, that was a couple of hours of movement. I'm not tripping. Now, before, when I got in trading, I was losing a lot of money because I'm trying to trade on the 10-minute. Because I'm like, oh, yeah. Like, it works best when I see a lot of candles. No, it don't. I mean, listen, well, once you get good and you want to become a scalper, yeah. Like you can hop in on those quick moves on the 10-minute, the 5-minute, the 1 minute. You feel me? But it's just, that's way too much movement, way too many candles. And you're not going to identify proper market structure while doing that. You feel me? So that's why for me, the 1 hour is a really great time frame because throughout my day, I'm going to analyze 24 candles and that's it. You know, instead of doing like the 1 minute, which is fucking 60 candles for every hour. You know, and if you see it doing all of this and it goes here, well, guess what? That's 60 candles of space on the chart. Sorry, let me do it like this. That's like 60 candles of space on the chart. Whereas on the 1 hour, I'm looking at one candle that went from here to here. You see what I'm saying? and of course, during that time before it closed, I've seen the candle go up, come down, go up, go down. So in the 1 minute, you're going to see a lot of this, a lot of the staircase type of things. But again, you're going to lose money on false reads. All right, so that's a little bit of forex game, a little bit of trading game. You know what I mean? And like I said, this is what's helped me become very consistent over the last couple of weeks. Like I've really just been killing it. I haven't gone crazy with my profits because I'm so set on really learning this. Like literally, and so far I've been doing good. I've only had 2 losses in the last 2 weeks. I've won 15 trades. Yeah, like I've caught a lot of pips on my own, just off of my own little shit. Like and it's dope. Like once you set it up and you go to that one pair, bro. Like you are like I can literally look at my shit. Like, I'm getting in. And my boy be like, so wait, so how did you know? I'm like, bro, like, I know what it's going to do. Like, I know. Like, this is how it moves. And, of course, I got my ADX, I got my RSI, I got other indicators that help me out. But it's like looking at it like, nah, like this. And here's the thing. And if I lose that trade, then I'll just wait for the re-entry to get back in because, yeah, I might have gotten a false read or it might have just, I mean, the market's going to do whatever it wants. So, yeah, I might have gotten a false read or it just kind of did whatever. But then in the end, guess what? Even if it's 2 to 3 days from the day I took my loss, it still does what I know it's going to do. So that gives me even more confidence. Like literally, even earlier in the week, I took a big loss. Matter of fact, it was right over here. I don't know if y'all can see it, but either way. Yeah, I took a big loss right around the 29th. I was like, oh, word, it was good. It was going up. I said, bet it's going to go up to the next resistance. Boom, set it for like, it was like a 30 pip stop loss or something below my support. But then it went down. It shot below my support. So I said, fuck it. Okay, boom, I lost it. I see it still making its move. Let me just hop in a sell trade now. Get out of a buy, hop in a sell. That's what I did. Literally, hop in a sell, caught a few pips. Then I saw it going back up, caught pips going back up. Then I caught all these pips going down, and I caught it back up. Like, yo, as you learn this skill, it is just so amazing. Because pretty soon, I will be replacing my job income with this. Like, there's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Because that same 30 pip move that I get, that same 40 pip move, that same 20 pip move, that 8 pip move, whatever it is, 12, 15, those same moves, like I said, I'm just working with the smallest lot size because I want to get confident with just collecting pips. You get confident with pips, not the profit. The whole point of being a trader is that you know how to look at a chart and collect pips. PIPS. Start with the smallest lot size so that you can properly risk manage your account. It allows you to put in a trade. You're not tripping when you see some red. That allows you to build trust in your own analysis. Then boom, put in a trade, see what it does. See what it does. If you lose the trade, see why you lost the trade. So that you know, okay, cool. Hey, doesn't mean your analysis was wrong. The market just did whatever the fuck it wants to do. It ain't always going to agree with you. You're not always going to predict what it does. But the job is to predict mostly based on what you see. Okay, this is the move that it normally likes to make. That's why I say focus on one pair. Because you'll learn, okay, when it's between this zone, that this is what she likes to do. So little bit of forex game for y'all, but yeah, I'm about to get in on this buy because yeah. I mean, I'm not gonna hold it for long because the market's closed Friday anyways. But I could probably catch a few pips on that. But either way, I love y'all and I appreciate y'all so much. And for sure, we'll definitely do it again tomorrow. This is what, day 184. Sheesh, we almost at 200 days, yo. Like this month, I'm hitting 200 days on the 18th. Yeah. Damn, that means I got 175, 65. Yeah, damn. All right, wow, that's crazy. So yeah, after 200, yeah, I got 165 days. Yo, that's gonna go so fast. But either way, I love y'all and I appreciate y'all. We'll do it again tomorrow. And of course, we always show gratitude every single day. It's important to show that we're grateful for what we have and life that we have so we can manifest the life that we want for sure. All right, I love y'all. We'll do it again tomorrow. Later.